It's a fun place you'll find, a great way to unwind. We're your ticket to sports, food, and fun.
CR Bowling and Billiards is Campbell River's family fun center. We offer both 5-pin and 10-pin bowling. Plus, we have Campbell River's only arcade, and we have 2 billiards rooms.
We're your ticket to sports, food, and fun.
Ryan's Pizza has consistently been voted the most popular pizza in Campbell River. We use only the finest ingredients, and everything is made on site. We have a full menu that includes hamburgers, quesadillas, chicken strips, and more. And we are fully licensed so you can enjoy your favorite beverage. And think of us the next time you have a birthday party. We have special packages that your kids will love. And we can host your staff party too.
We're your ticket to sports, food, and fun.